As part of our premium collection, our FluidX sliding door offers a minimally framed sliding door solution. With elegantly slim sightlines offering panel heights up to 5 metres, this system allows for picturesque views all year round. The FluidX sliding door features a slim, integrated handle with a smooth slide-up 3-point locking mechanism, which can be increased up to 6 depending on height. The handle perfectly matches the 21mm mullion for a clean, minimal look. Engineered for performance, the precision rollers allow panels weighing up to 600 kg to glide effortlessly with just one finger. The wheel system is fully serviceable, allowing the rollers to be removed and replaced without taking the doors out of the frame. Choose from exposed or hidden rail configurations with innovative clip-on drainage solutions for concealed threshold systems. The hidden rail allows for the track to be completely hidden behind the client's flooring, providing a sleek, minimal finish. FluidX is available in any rail powder-coated colour or a premium anodised finish to suit any design. Create striking architectural spaces with glass-to-glass corners, allowing for a seamless opening solution without a chunky corner profile or post.